Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites so the fix applies correctly. First, confirm you're on Windows 11 and signed into your Microsoft account because Game Bar ties to that profile. This prevents permission conflicts. Next, open Settings, go to Gaming, and turn the Xbox Game Bar toggle on. This re-registers the service. Once done, check that background apps are allowed for Xbox Game Bar and test the Win+G shortcut to confirm the feature responds before moving deeper. Now perform the core repair actions to restore capture functionality. Reset the Xbox Game Bar app from Apps Installed Apps Advanced Options. This clears corrupt settings. If resetting fails, reinstall it from the Microsoft Store or run a targeted PowerShell reinstall command to restore missing files and packages. Make sure camera and microphone privacy permissions, plus background app access, are enabled so Capture can access input and encoding services. After reinstall, restart Windows to finish by ensuring system-level support for captures is active. Update GPU drivers and enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling if available, because encoding relies on proper driver support. Then open Game Bar settings and enable background recording or adjust audio capture sources so clips record correctly. If capture remains grayed out, disable third-party overlays or recording apps like OBS temporarily. They often claim exclusive access to encoders. If problems persist, run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter and reboot. That usually resolves lingering permissions or service conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.